Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to our channel. And today I'm going to do a penguin riding a polar bear on a sleigh. And these are the products I'm going to be using. Let's go! For my base, I'm going to use the Urban Graffiti Concrete Kiss. So I'm going to cap the free edge and pop it under the lamp. I'm going to do a second coat of Concrete Kiss, but I don't think it needs it. So I'm going to cap the free edge and pop it under the lamp. Then using the Neo Nails Gel Residue Wipe Off Solution, I take off that sticky layer. For the sleigh, I'm going to use a mixture of Bear Hug and Bonsai. I'm going to keep this design really simple so anyone can follow it. I'm just going to flash cure this for a couple of seconds so my colours don't mix. Then with Snow White, I'm going to draw my polar bear. And I'm also going to do bits of my penguin. So how I draw is basically layering. It's like painting by numbers, so I don't mix my colours, they don't get contaminated with each other. I'm just going to do a little bit more detail so I can see where his feet are going to be. and his mouth and his ears. So once I'm happy with all the white bits, I then go and do the swooshy snow bit. So it looks like he's going fast. And then I'm going to pop them under the lamp for 30 seconds. So here I've mixed sherbet lemon and Jaffa cake together to make a really pretty orangey yellowy colour. And I'm going to use this colour for the penguin's feet and beak. So I'm going to go in with Urban Graffiti's Interlude and just paint his little feet pink. And I'm using Firecracker for the penguin's hat. And then I pop them under the lamp. I'm just using a little bit of Concrete Kiss just to give some more detail on the polar bear, like around his feet. So now I've gone in with Serious Black and I'm going to do the features of the polar bear. So that'll be his eye, his nose and his mouth. And still using Serious Black, I'm going to fill in the penguin. Then using a dotting tool with snow white, I put some little snowflakes in. Oh, and I gave him a little snowflake on his nose. There you go. And then pop him under the lamp. Now I've gone in with the Urban Graffiti top coat. I'm going to seal that design in. And then pop it under the lamp and cure it for 30 seconds. And here's my finished design. A penguin riding a polar bear on a sleigh. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. All the products are listed below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!